It seems like you're interested in learning about online marketing. Online marketing, also known as digital marketing, involves promoting products, services, or brands using various digital channels and strategies. Here's a general overview of how you can start learning and earning in the field of online marketing. 1. Educate yourself. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the different aspects of online marketing, such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and more. There are plenty of online resources, courses, and tutorials available that can help you gain a solid understanding of these concepts. 2. Take online courses. Consider enrolling in online marketing courses from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, or HubSpot Academy. These courses offer structured learning paths and cover a wide range of topics within online marketing. 3. Practice and build skills. Learning is important, but practical experience is equally crucial. Create your own website or blog, and experiment with different marketing techniques. Implement SEO strategies, run social media campaigns, and try out email marketing to gain hands-on experience. 4. Stay updated. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving. Follow industry blogs, subscribe to newsletters, and engage with online marketing communities to stay up to date with the latest trends and updates. 5. Certifications. Earning industry-recognized certifications can help boost your credibility and enhance your job prospects. Certifications from platforms like Google Ads, Google Analytics, Facebook Blueprint, and HubSpot can showcase your expertise to potential clients or employers. 6. Freelancing. Once you feel confident in your skills, you can start offering your services as a freelance online marketer. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to find clients and projects in need of digital marketing expertise. 7. Affiliate marketing. Another way to earn online is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services on your website or social media platforms and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. 8. Create and sell digital products. If you're skilled in a particular aspect of online marketing, such as creating compelling content or designing graphics, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses. 9. Consulting and coaching. As you gain more experience and knowledge, you can offer consulting services to businesses looking to improve their online marketing efforts. You can also provide one-on-one coaching to individuals seeking to learn online marketing. 10. Networking. Building a strong network within the online marketing community can lead to collaboration opportunities, referrals, and valuable connections that can help you further your career. Remember, success in online marketing requires dedication, continuous learning, adaptability, and a willingness to stay updated with the latest industry trends and technologies. Start small, build your skills, and gradually scale your online marketing efforts to achieve your earning goals.